592 is the break and hold that we're looking for. It must break 592 on SPY if you're looking to long that. I don't want to touch that until we can break and hold 592, okay? Otherwise, be patient. We're on a micro double top right here. Could actually short this for a quick buck, but I'm going to wait and see if we get a push. We had a nice big candle come out of that. We'll see what we get here. Please don't look at longing SPY until the break of 592 and hold, okay? We want it to have that nice clear sky area right before we're doing anything with that, because if the market breathes back at all and it's on this major level, it will pull hard. Everybody be cool. Do you hear the sound of my voice? We're right here. We're at 592. Still a no-go. Waiting. I'm looking for a breakthrough, pullback, retest, and run. That's what I'd like to see happen. So I can try to enter off the pop, look for that pullback, retest, and run. 10 seconds on this candle. Still has not shown me the strength that I want to the upside yet. Everybody be patient. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Okay, that's nice.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Because I know some of you are like, but I want to get it now in case it stops.
This is where I'll screw up.
Yeah. This is where we need extra patience. Listen, I'd rather miss out on a couple of dollars instead of the high risk of getting in early, right?
Yes, sir.
Starting to get some momentum. I see it pulled back to the 9 and popped. You can go in small here. I'm going to wait for a retest. I literally want to see this come up a little bit, come right back down. Yeah, right here. That's a go for me. A minute. There she goes. Yes, that's how you trade it. That's how you frickin' trade it. The frick out of here. That's how you trade it, ladies and gentlemen. Am I right? Huh? Look at this son of a beep, 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 beep. Yes. Look at this monster. Ho. Ho, who's your daddy? Well, hello.
Coach.
What, coach? Everybody in this room super printed. Everybody knew exactly what to do, exactly when to do it. Look at this. Oh my. Yes.
It's freaking beautiful, coach. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll take it. That's a $1,300 trade. Just waiting, being patient. Literally 2 contracts done for the day.